In the last video, we talked about knowing your personal numbers, as this gives you confidence and provides you the key information you need for the next step. So the next step is then moving those numbers into the business sense, so budgeting and planning. So you know what you need personally, you can then work backwards from there to start to work out what the business needs to do to be able to pay yourself that amount, and also pay all the bills in relation to the business. So split out your tax bills. So when we're employed, we're used to just getting paid an after-tax number into our bank account, and we never have to think about putting money aside for the IRD. When you work for yourself, this is usually one of the biggest changes and hiccups people face. You need to be putting money aside every time you're paid, or at least monthly, to account for income tax and probably GST that you'll have to pay. So my recommendation, open a separate bank account, label it tax, and try not to think about it as your money. And then you'll never have any stresses when it comes time to pay the IRD. Where people often get into trouble is that they haven't planned for this at all in the first 18 months. Then all of a sudden their first income tax bill comes due, and they have to start paying tax for the 18 months they've already been in business, and then start paying provisional tax for the next 12 months they're going to be in business. So my other recommendation, get a great accountant who can help you work out how much money you should be putting aside. If you want to have a chat on any of this, feel free to get in touch.